All right, guys. Here we go. We've had a good morning so far. Let's pull these up. We can see here. This is what I bought into yesterday. It's not too shabby this morning, but the ones we've been looking at a lot here lately is BTBT, CFMS, AMC, this one, and also another favorite going off right now is XELA. Let's watch this one, see if it bounces here. All right. Okay. These guys, this CFMS, that's one of the picks that we had yesterday. BTBT was most of the picks. It looks like damn near all of them are at least green for the day. We're looking pretty good. Just going through the list here. Let me post this to Twitter that we're live, and we'll get back on this. Okay. Well, paste the YouTube URL. Going live now to Twitter. And guys, if you're not checking out Twitter, the live channel, or for this channel, I mean, you are just checking something out there. You're missing out, guys. I post pics there. Let me show it to you here real quick. That's me checking out FanViz. So you can see here, funny caption or two. We've got the chart up. We have, we're highlighting different people in the community. And then we have like picks like Ford, AMC, and I'm showing you the chart with them. Things like that. It's really good to keep up with what's going on in the market and picks that we have. Let's go back to the charts. Looks like XELA and CFMS, actually it looks like all of them are giving out a pretty good dip opportunity. XELA, if it bounces, that'll be a good dip. Guys, also, if there's any time during the day you want me to look at anything, if you're part of the Wall Street Bets New Discord, you could message me there, or you can pop it here in the chat. I don't care one bit to try to take a look at it. I'm also watching, let me put it up here for y'all too. I'll put it up over here. EVK. Let me put it on the 3-minute. It actually just got halted a second ago, and it looks like it'll probably take off again. I actually have a few day trades left, so I'm looking to get into at least one swing trade today. while that's looking at that, I'm gonna leave the chart up here for you guys while I run over to the next chart over here and pull up anything that's hot. And if I find anything good, I'll show you here. Going to FinViz to check it. Let's check out RMed next curve. Yeah, guys, the reason I was late this morning, I went and I was giving blood, right? Or trying to give blood. And it's crazy anymore to try to do anything like that. And when I was there, man, they started asking all these questions, like, where did you get this blood? Whose blood is it? Why is it in a bucket? I mean, it just pissed me off. I left. I was like, the hell with it. All right. I need to check out something here. Give me just a second, guys. Thank you. All right, guys. Had to fix something there real quick. XELA might be moving. So is EVK. Pull these up. RMed's a no-go. X-Curve was the other one. Man, what in the world is going on here today? My internet is running like crap today, guys. I'm sorry if y'all experiencing anything bad here. I'm going to see if I can change a setting here that might help. If it ends up cutting out, I'm sorry, guys. We'll get back to it. Trying to figure this out here, guys, to get this back on. Oh, man, come on. Where in the hell is it at? Alright, guys, if we continue to experience problems, I'll try to restart it. It may have something to do with my stream latency here. I've got it on ultra low. Maybe it's just something where, kids are home today using more internet or something. I don't know. But if it keeps up showing me this message, then we'll go just a regular low latency. Alright, let's get back to it. So where we at? We was at X curve, right? X curve. Now X curve looks interesting. It's kind of like bouncing around the 50 EMA. It's got 50 million volume. Let me show you this. Let me come over. Let me switch these charts here. Make sure first. Yeah, okay. Making sure I wasn't showing anything I shouldn't be showing. I gotta watch here, legal things. Alright, so if we switch charts, excuse me, that was the, this is the, see how it's bouncing around this? It has a volume of 50 million, float of 67 million. You know, unless this bottoms out here now, this could be one to watch and see what it does. Here's what I was talking about, EVK. See, it is continuing to go. I like the fact that it's not just taking off like a bat out of hell. It's still getting good volume. Turnover percent's 300. It's got a free float of 3 million and getting 46 million volume. Hot damn. Why does it not give me RSI on these things, man? There it is. So the RSI is a little hot. Once it cools off, I may look into getting into that. What happened? Doe is one that's looking pretty good. It's another one that's got good volume, decent volume, especially for the float that it has. I know somebody's really banking on that one. That sucks. BT still killing it. God, I want it to cool off for a minute. I want to buy in on this. Damn it. See, this makes twice I missed a good buy-in chance. Damn, what's it going to do? See, this is what I was talking about. You can see on these candles, guys. See how this comes down? You had an engulfing candle, doji, hammer candle, and now you see this battle at this candle. See how it's going back and forth on this 3 minute? That is a battle happening on that candle. Who's going to win out? The bears versus the bulls. Those are the kind of things I look for in plays. You know, are they going to continue? What's going on? Let me check out FinViz. ATCX. Let's check out that one. Get that off of there. ATCX. No, did I get that right? ATCX. So I must have typed it in wrong. Now see, this don't look bad. This is not running too hot. It's got a volume of 1 million, a float of 26. This is not bad. Oh man, I meant to check. I had some I was wanting to get in on some puts and stuff today. Guys, do y'all keep a trading journal? Let me tell you, if you don't, it is one of the best things I ever done. It's just a journal. I put down trades, and then I come back later. Did they work? Didn't they work? Put down plays. Why that I was looking at them. Stuff like that. Oh man, no, 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 no. Damn it, I missed part of it. Okay, so here's what we was playing on. Let me go back. We look at this 4 hour. You see, every time, let me squeeze it down there. Every time it drops under the 200 EMA, this red line, it pops up. So, do you wait for it to come back down on the 200? No, you play puts on the way down. And that's what I'm doing. So let's go to options here. Let's see what kind of puts. I always play the big days. If you look at certain days, that's the ones that most people play. So you can say for the end of this week, a lot of people are playing certain ones. But the next two big days is August 20th and September 17th. And if we come to those days and we go to puts, look at this volume, guys. You go to calls, you're going to see a little bit of volume. Actually, that's pretty good volume on 30 right there, but for a month out, it's probably going to bounce and go back anyway. But puts, we have it all the way up, all the way down. I really like this for puts. So, we was looking at this yesterday. What do we have? On the 13th, that's 11 days. That's not enough. Maybe they've already switched to the 17th. Yeah, a lot of them are starting to switch to the 17th already. So you can see how the 17th has more than any other day in September. 27th has a few. 20th. So in calls, you actually have two big plays for 18 days out. It's not bad. Anyways, so let's go back to what we was doing. Puts. We're at 24. Where is the 200? It falls at about 21. And how many days was it that it took to get up? As a matter of fact, let's look and see how many days it took the last two. 7 days to drop. 7 days. So it takes about 7 days to drop once it starts. So we're probably okay if we wanted to go back up to, let's see if we can get anything cheaper on the 11-day here. Yeah, right there we can get 4 of those pretty cheap at 23, and then we may take another 4 at 21. Alright, give me just a second, guys. I'm going to make some plays here real quick. Matter of fact, the 21s, I'm actually going to not play on this date, play on the other date. So we want it on the 13th. No, oh, I was like, why is that so high? What in the world? There we go. Okay, there we go. I got mine in on that one. Now another one I was looking at puts on. I think I was looking at puts on it. Is the learning club, lending club. And again, what we was looking at this one was two reasons. One, it's been overextended for a while. You can see here, and it needs to come down some, even if it doesn't come all the way back down to here. It doesn't have to. Only thing I'm looking at for is it to cool back off to the 200. So if we go to options and the 20th, see this is only on the 20th. I bet the other one's only 17. Yeah, see, then October 15th. Those are your big days, guys, for options. If we're looking at puts, again, we come down to 21, 20. That's not bad. I like this price on this one. The Greeks don't look too bad neither. And it's got good volume. This is actually high volume for this stock on options. Yeah, that's what I'm getting right there. I'm going to actually do the 20. Yeah, because it's not worth it going down to the 19. Damn, man. It's a big jump at the delta. I don't know. I'm going to stew on this one for a minute. All right, let's go back to the charts. Let's see what they're showing. Here we go. All right, see, everything's cooling off now. AMC's coming back down. I'm going to touch this line. Let me pull up, we'll pull it up over here. So here's what I was talking about. This is a good buying moment. See this, guys? BT. If you want to play it, that's a good buying moment. I need to look at one of my plays over here. 1 second. I'll leave that up so we can look at it. You know, I like the fact that NAOV is holding, but it's just not doing nothing. Let me check and see if anything else is making a move. LVTX, let's look at that one. Everything's starting to cool off now. No, it's a stud. X-Curves had a big change. Let's take a look at it again. It might have changed for the better. No, not really. Alright, let's go back over the playlist. Wait, I didn't get it, did I? I'm trying to buy in on EVK, and I don't think it filled. Nope. Change order. Just get me in it right now. Oh, wait a minute. We'll watch it here just a second. It may get filled at that price. Yep. I got my price. Good. Now watch it crash. Be my luck. Good. You guys don't even know half the time. Alright, let's see what else we're looking at. Doyle is still looking good. Doyle rules. Let me, oh, am I not signed in? I think that's it. Damn it. I'm trying to get signed in the chat here, guys. I thought I was, but that is my password. Show password, yeah. You know what? Here's what I'm going to do. Ooh, XCLA's looking good. Why is that showing that? That's weird. Anyways. So, let's just take pop out chat. Take this URL here. Copy. So, what? Are you freaking kidding me? There we go. About damn time. Oh, God, it's killing me, guys. Oh, shit. Anyways, CVMS is looking good. That's another one I wanted to get into. What is it? CFMS. Oh, wait, I was wanting to check out something here. InSav. Man, it is popping again today, right? So let me show you all this. This is what I was talking about right here. Let me bring you up on this one. So this is one I mentioned during the live stream for the watch list last night. It has been running hot for a while. And this is one they're saying they'll hope it'll be the next Coinbase or some shit. Man, sorry guys, this is going like hell today. Don't look right. Right? Yeah. And it's still managing to climb. I mean, this is it, isn't it? News. Yeah. So you can see read that DD there. I won't put you over yet, but Net Savings Link is sort of a crypto venture capitalism firm. So they're wanting to be the next Coinbase is what it is. Alright, guys. Alright. Alright, let's take a look while we're waiting on things to form here. Let's take a look at AMC. Okay, we're still good on this one. This ain't nothing to sweat about. You can see this line is the one that I drew. Let me pull back out. So this overall line, this is what I was showing people when they asked me, is AMC a buy? So this is an overall trend line. As you can see, every time it comes at it, it bounces. And this right here is actually forming a triangle, which is a bullish sign. But I have this last one marked here for the 15-minute. You can see it's bouncing right off that one right now. So I would expect it to bounce here, but as long as it bounces off that yellow line, then we're still in trend, an uptrend. So that's still looking good. What does the MMAT look like? I don't know what that looks at. MMAT's having a no-go day. It's just consolidating out. At least it's not bad. It's not bearish or bullish. It's just consolidating. Has been for the last 3 or 4 days. Yeah. That's good. So really overall nobody's winning out on that. Yeah. Ford's another one, guys. If you're checking out the Twitter, you'll see I had a post about Ford here. You can see that it's come off of this trend line here. Let me back it out. All right. So you can see Ford was in this trend down. See, my thing is not updating right. There, Ford was in this trend down, bouncing between these. And then we had this breakout right around earnings. As you can see, it broke out and it's come back down and retested it and bounced. Now, the question is it going to continue up or will it come back down into trend, a downtrend? You know, really only a couple more days will tell. It's something we'll just have to watch and keep an eye on. But as long as it stays above this trend line and bounces, we could expect it to get back to previous highs, at least, which is 1658. I would at least expect it to see 70-80% of that, as long as it can stay. All right. Check chat, check messages. Yeah, oh my God, did y'all see Tesla this morning? It was crazy, man. Check his shit out. No, that's not Tesla. Look at this. 723. Guys, I'm loving this because I got back in on this when it dipped this last time. When it come under 500 at this mark right here. You can see I've been watching it. I got in back here. I didn't get in at 571. I got in, I think it was around 590. So you can tell I'm really happy right now. Some other plays I've been looking at spot. I bought in the spot already. We can see it's come down a little bit this morning, but you know, I think I was planning on holding this one for right at a month, so that's not worrying me on that one. Activision 2 is a very volatile right now. I'm just waiting for it to kind of like cool off and stuff. My out on this one, if it continues past this 81.56, then I'll say I've made a bad deal and get out. But as long as it stays in between there, I'd look for it before the month's out. Actually, I'm looking at this one for about 2 to 3 weeks to be back up around this 90-92 mark. Okay. Let's do a round really quick. That is not supposed to be showing that. Sorry. So I bought on this one to try it out today, if it'll go. So it's not doing too bad. It's still continuing up right now. Doyle is kicking it, man. That looks awesome. Man, I'm sorry I know God in Discord was into this earlier, and I know he was really hoping for it. But see, I played this one Friday. I got out around 9:40ish, something like that. I hate that for him. I know he's really had hopes on it, but it's not a dead cat yet. It still could bounce off the 50-day EMA. H-Lit was another one of our picks. I was hoping it would boom a little bit more. It's not, but it's still green for the day, so there's that. Ortex was another one of our picks. Again, I was hoping it would boom a little bit more. It did right at the beginning, but it's just consolidating out now. I'm actually going to hold off on BTBT until as long as it can stay above this 100-day MA line. I'm looking at it for the end of the day. Bodies all over the place. FUV, now this is one. Guys, if you don't know, I had this as one of my picks last week. And this was one that I said would be good for a swing play. And it is killing it right now. If you'd have bought in it, let's see. If we'd have bought in it then, it was right around this day. So even at the highs of that day, 14, you'd be up $4 right now. Check that out. See, this 1520 was one of the resistance lines I had set up for it. Well, that's cool. Man, XELA still killing it, man. Looking good. What's the 3-minute chart look like? Wow. That's good. I played that one last week too. XELA. Let me check out chat. I've not got it pinned up right now, so I want to stay on top of it. Guys, let me also say right now, if you find value in what I'm doing, the bringing these stocks and stuff, hit the like button for us, hit the subscribe button, and share it with your friends, all right? Man, oh man, let's see. Does FinViz hold anything for us? Here's two new ones. GLMD. GLMD. Now see, if this one bounces right here, this could be a good little dip buy opportunity. Let me, what are we looking at here? GLMD. So we'll put that up on our 4 chart when we go back to look at it. So yeah, keep an eye on this area right in here. See if it bounces off this 18 MA line. What was the other one? NFI. So if we go to INFI, what is that? The same damn thing? Wow, yeah. This one actually, I like this one better than the other one because it is retesting these MA lines more. It's a healthier way up. So if it bounces there, this one will be a good play too. So I'm going to put both of these on our watch list, and we'll keep an eye out on them as the day goes on. Okay. I believe that's going to be a dead cat for me today, guys, on that one. So I'm actually pulling out of this shit show of a stock here. I want to cancel that. Just get me out of it. There we go. So yeah, I'm getting all that. It's not doing nothing. So good. So I just tested out EBK. I just threw in. I just threw it in and check it out. I mean, just with the couple of dollars I threw in there, I think I bought 20 shares just to see what it would do. I'm already up 20, so what I'm going to do is for 20 shares, $20. That's not a bad deal. I'm going to go ahead and take profit and say bye to it. Guys, never be afraid to take profits when you get there. Don't, and if it continues up, great. I'm happy for the people that stayed in it. I had $20 in it. I had 20 shares in it, got $20 out of it. Fine, I'm good. Bye. See ya. That's all I needed. Which one is it? Now, see what I tell you. This one looked a lot healthier right in here. So on this bounce, I'm actually going to buy, what about 100 shares? 50 shares? So see what it does. I just picked up 50 just to see. Yeah. All right. Just seeing if anybody's got any stocks I want me to look at. Come on, Infinity Pharmaceuticals. May have 2 good wins today. That's all I'm asking for. All I want is $100 day. After that, what comes, and I'll be fine with that. Excuse me about that. So while that's pulling that up, BNTX, let's check that out. BNTX. You know what? We have a tops here. Let's look at what they got. They got X-Curve bounced. So it's not looking too shabby right now. How many day trades I got left in this one? I've got 2 left. Okay. You know, my Riskified don't look too bad. Let's see real quick. X-Curve. Okay, we got that pulled up so I can get in it real quick if I want to. That's not looking too bad. So, ATCX. I did buy BTBT, didn't I? Yeah, I'm in BTBT. Still looking good. Yeah, BTBT had a nice little bounce here. Yeah, as long as this can stay above this green 50-day EMA, this is probably going to look really good for the afternoon. See, that's a nice little bounce on that. You got an engulfing candle. We can see where that goes. Sorry, guys, I'm just trying to answer some questions here in Discord. Let me make sure we got any questions here. X curve's looking bullish. Man, I really like that. What does the 1 minute look like? It's just not there yet, is it? This one's riding the EMA lines right up. Yeah, this one right here. Watch this one. Last hour and a half, 2 hours of the day. See, guys, it's right around this time. This is the reason why I do 2 streams. It's because it's right around this time you'll start seeing things slack off and pick up the last 2 hours, especially the last hour. That's the reason why they call the last hour of the day power hour. Yeah, see, as long as this stays riding up, I'm fine with that. Um, just looked at my CLF puts, guys. Look at this. So that's pretty much 50% profit. Yeah, guys, that's the reason I tell you, watch those watch list ones. I give you all these watch lists so you can watch them and make your own decisions. And oh my God, it killed it this time. Loving it. I'm up across the board, guys. This is looking awesome. So somebody's asked me to look at Workhorse here. Let's check it out. Workhorse. Now this is one, guys, that is actually starting to get kind of bullish again. Let's check out the news. So for the day, it looks bullish. What's the 4-hour look like? It's riding out this support. Next supports are right around there. Right around there. And bottom is at 7. So it's found support. Well, let's see. Where would be a good buy and in point? $12.42. So yeah, around that breakout, I'd probably be bullish around there. Around this, if it broke up above that one right there. Probably here, but to be conservative. So we're looking at a breakout between 12 and 12.50. So at that, I would be bullish on it. Yeah. You can see it's found support here at this 1050 line. It's riding this support line out, so I wouldn't actually consider it to be broke out of this. I would actually just call this consolidating right now, and you can see it's been for several days. What about 2.5 weeks here, it looks like. So yeah, if it can get back above this 250 mark, I'd be bullish on it. you can see it's U-shaping around. So if you know what I look for, that's one of the things I look for. It shows a controlled um, reversal. People are stopping selling and starting to buy. That's the reason why you see it U-shaping around. Um, it's above or right at the 50-day EMA. So yeah, at that it would be above the 100-day and about to break over the 200. Yeah, so I'd be bullish right around there on it. I like that. Let's uh let's set an alert around there. So we're gonna set alert for above 1242, sharp rise in news. Because guys, what's the golden rule? You buy the rumor, sell the news. Let's see what we're up on everything. Let's take a look at if this is going to continue or not. See, guys, that's what I'm talking about. Know your technical analysis. We have been watching this for a while. We've actually been watching it since about right in here somewhere. It comes down below. Every time it comes down below the 200 EMA line, it's a good buying point anywhere in there. It don't matter. I usually like to wait for the confirmation of a reversal, but you can see here that anywhere below the 200 EMA line is a good buying point. And then it shoots right up. Sometimes it does right away, as you can see in this one. Sometimes it'll have a little bit of a bounce and then go. Right here, it had a little bit of a bounce and then go. Right here, it had 2 or 3 little bounces. But um, to be honest with you on this one, I probably would have sold it and bought back in on the reversal. As a matter of fact, it's probably a good rule of thumb not to hit every little breakout. Is if you see a breakout below the 200 where there's a gap, you see a gap, a gap, a gap, a gap, gap. Those would be the times to break out. And then set you a percentage or a dollar amount that you want to make out of it, or certain. I usually use the Fibonacci retracement and try to hit around the 60, 78 mark, something like that. Or maybe 68, 72, I don't remember. But that's how I usually pick my out points. And then get out. Don't be greedy. Get out. Buy puts on the way back down. That's how you do those plays. So on this one, first sign of reversal, I'm getting out. I'm taking my profits and I'm running. So now we'll sell these and get out. Let's check out the other one I'm in. What was it? Infinity. So this one I've not made what I wanted to yet. So I'm standing this one through this little bounce right here. Yep, I'm gonna stick this little bounce out and see what happens. I need to pull this up over here 1 second. Just waiting to see what this does on this little bouncer. If you're looking at GOMD, it might bounce. XELA is looking to bounce here at the 50-day EMA line. There we go, guys. I made a 43% profit on my CFL call or puts. Or no, sorry, 63% profit. So let's look at, somebody else asked me to look at one. Easy. So easy. Let's take a look at it for him here. Or her. Sorry, him or her. That didn't look like it changed. Yeah. Is that right? Easy. The GRU pole. Let's see. GRU pole. And it was called what? GRU pole. So I wasn't able to help him out because it wasn't on the Weeble platform here. So here we go with Infinity again. It's about, we have an engulfing candle. So let me make sure y'all's on this, seeing this. Okay, yeah. Is that the right ticker for that? Yeah. Ooh, it says Roblox is up. We'll check on that next. Two more I mentioned we'll check on right here in a second too. Let's wait and see what that does. What finishes out. Roblox. Yeah, see, I was wanting to buy on this dip too. Let's see if we still can get in. Yep, see, it's still good. I had my buy-in set right here. It is 79.39, I think it is. I did say 79.39, right? Yeah, 79.39. What am I in on that one? I don't even know anymore what all I'm in. I think I'm in on EVK too. Let me check real quick. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Do I have day trade? No, I don't have no day trades left on that one. So anything I get in this account will need to be longer term. And how many do I have on the other here? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to keep track of all this so I don't lose it. If you violate day trading rules, then they can take you off a margin account and you'll have to wait for everything to settle before you can trade. do I want to get into on this account? Guys, this is I wanted to show you this one too. Hood. I bought in on this. I know what y'all are already saying. What the hell are you buying in that for? Look, this is why. I got in on a day one at 38, and then I ended up buying the dip here. So I think my average is 34-ish, 35-ish, something like that. So it's looking good right now, and I look for it to continue. The other one I bought in was a little less known IPO that IPO'd the same day, Riskified. If you don't know nothing about this company, look into it. They are a risk management company based out of Israel. Israel is doing some really cool stuff in the tech and fintech industry right now, so it's really cool to look at. If you're into the ARK Invest company, the ARK ETFs, they have an ETF just on Israel-based ones. Guys, that's how I come across, what was it, CF? Oh crap, what was it? Let me go back here now. Where's it at? CFMS. That's how I come across this, was on that. It was a penny stock that she had bought in on their print ETF that's 3D printing. And they do like medical field printing. I'm pretty sure that's what they do. Yeah, medical technology. So they are working on like 3D printing you an extra ear if one gets cut off or some shit. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Before we shut down for the midday, guys, if you find value in what I'm bringing you on this content, again, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's build this community, guys. And also, do not sleep. Pull it up here for you. Do not sleep on this Twitter account. It's the one that I post updates to for the channel. That's not the Twitter account, that's the feed. I post updates to it. Once in a while you see me throw a little funny meme up there. Also, we have, when I go live, stuff like that, a little bit of info like classic charting signs. You can see right down here, pics. So go and give this a follow too. I really want to try to build this community up, teach people the gospel of charting and technical analysis. Guys, it works. Trust me, it works. I prove it every day on Discord. It works. So, with that being said, let's do one more rundown. And we'll get off here until the power hour, guys. So, if there's any stocks you want me to look at, right now is the time to throw it up in Discord or chat. All right. Infinity's killing it, I swear. Look at that. I bought it right in here somewhere, I think. And we picked up 50 shares, was it? Yeah, 50 shares. Alright, so let's do the rundown. That's looking good. GOMD. Yeah, it's looking very bullish. I like that right now. This is looking good too, guys. I really like the way that it's looking. It's a controlled ascent. Doyle looking good. 15-minute chart. It's a newer one. It's booming right now. Yeah, there it goes. All right, we was talking earlier. Got a guy in Discord, so I'm happy for him. It went back up. Good job. Good job. Vortex. BT might be bouncing. This right here, this channel down, I always find these to be bullish as long as they don't break this trend down. So we'll see how that plays out. Body's picking up steam. Pins is a good dip buy opportunity right now, guys. If you look at the 4 hour right here, it's sold off completely. This would be a little bit longer hold if you're into something like this. I like this one as a longer play. I think this one right here looks good. As a matter of fact, it's at a good dip right now, so I'm going to get in on this. So, let's make a trade. How? How is that possible? Because I'm trading with the wrong account. Maybe that's why. Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's a lot better. Alright. So we're in on that one. This one looks good. It's probably going to bounce. Yeah, see this bounce right here. The 50-day EMA. So that looks good. Alright. What else are we looking at? You. This is a disappointment. I was really hoping this was going to do something today. But I should have bought puts when I seen it going down. It's still not bad for puts. Where's it at right now? So yeah, if it continues on down past that trend line right there, I'd buy puts on that. Have to go down a little bit further for it. So this is the $4 puts. Yeah, I'd go as far down as that if it doesn't bounce right here at this line, which it looks like it might do it. HUT is looking bullish for the day, I think. Yeah, overall it is. DNN was another disappointment of mine today. BTX. If y'all watched the live stream last night, you know why I find this one funny. It's consolidating right now. That might be worth looking into tomorrow. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for the day. So remember, like I said, if you find value in what we're doing right here, give us a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. But guys, that's it for us today. For right now, we'll be back later on around 2:33. Give us a shout out then.